Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Defender SmartScreen settings correctly, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. Type Windows Security in the search bar. Click on the Windows Security app that appears in the results. In the Windows Security interface, select App and Browser Control. Here, you will find under the Check Apps and Files section, you can choose from 3 options. Select Block to prevent unrecognized apps from running. Alternatively, select Warn to receive alerts without blocking the app. Scroll down to the SmartScreen for Microsoft Edge section. This setting helps protect you while browsing. Here, you can also select Block or Warn based on your preference. Next, locate the SmartScreen for Microsoft Store Apps section. Again, choose between Block or Warn for added security. After making your selections, close the Windows Security window. Your changes will automatically be saved. For best protection, regularly review your SmartScreen settings. Stay safe by keeping your Windows updated. Now, you have successfully configured Microsoft Defender SmartScreen settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.